Hello and welcome back to Lumosity and Speed Pack. You know, this is actually a fun game. But then I remember I'm only on level 9 of 10. This is a terrible game. I hate it. I hate being on the lower level than the top. It makes me angry. Me angry. No! Let's try this again. Yes, I'm aware of this is a speed game. Yes, this camera must move quickly to the right spot, or else. And it must be quickly. Did I mention that it has to be fast? Done almost instantly. Done. Yes. Yes. A win. And no. We can see on the clock that I'm not doing this fast enough. No. We must move. Faster. Faster. Not good enough. I'm about to fail. Fail. No. No, I was watching the clock. No. 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 Oh, man. Come on, need some music. My head is going to explode if I don't get some music up in this house. I need something to relieve the tension. Oh, calm down. It's not like the world's ending. You don't know that, old man. There could be an earthquake right now. Right where I'm standing. Unlikely. Yeah, but I mean, it could happen. You know what? I think I'd bet you $1 million that don't happen. Oh, $1 million, is it, old man? Make it 1 billion, and I will, I'll take you up on that. Sound good? Sure, it's impossible. $1 billion. Hey, look, I did a personal best, or rather top 5 score that happens to be the one spot yesterday when I went recording. Yay, hey. Yeah. Anyway, old man, go ahead, lay it down. All right. I don't have $1 billion to bet. Oh, that's just too bad, isn't it, old man? Oh, well, I guess you're going to miss out on this opportunity to get $1 billion from me because I'm definitely wrong. Oh, well, old man. Guess I'll have to use this earthquake machine another day. Have I ever mentioned that I dream of being a mad scientist? And that dream has come true? At least in part. Yes, I'm well on my way. Earthquake machine. Yeah. You shouldn't joke about that. There are people who believe that there really is an earthquake machine. Yeah, and there are people who believe that the Apollo program never landed on the moon in the first place. It never happened. Moon landing? Stanley Kubrick. Obviously. I mean, just look at how the flag waves in the wind. You know? Ha Yeah. 20% of Americans believe the moon landing was all one big fat sham. Way overweight. Well, 20% of Americans, you are really stupid. I'm sorry, but yeah, it happened. Believe it or not, it happened, okay? Oh, really? Like you were there. Old man, have you ever met an astronaut? No. I I'm an astronaut. Old man, if you were an astronaut, don't you think you would have met an astronaut at some point during your travels? They don't go up there alone. Or at least I don't think they do. Maybe they do. Maybe some do. But at some point you probably met another astronaut, old man. So obviously you are fibbing. Fib alert. Old man is fibbing us again. Old man. Oh gosh. Whoopsie-daisy. But yes, I have met a real astronaut who actually went to the moon and collected the rocks that were on the moon and brought them back. He was a geologist, sent there because they need a geologist to collect some moon rocks. Yeah. But they didn't just want any types of moon rocks. They wanted very specific, useful moon rocks. So that's why they sent him up there to get some moon rocks. And he got himself some moon rocks and brought them back down. And, well, there was some significant finds. Very significant. Oh, dear. Almost as significant as the very first batch brought back by Neil Armstrong, who wasn't really a geologist. He just shoveled a bunch of rocks into a bag. What he did, what? Now, this is a good story. So, put yourself in Neil Armstrong's shoes. Alright, so, you have ventured out. The first man to make it to... Look at this, incorrect parts avoided. Yeah. So you're Neil Armstrong. The first man to go to another world. Even if it's just a moon, still, that's something. Stepping onto a surface of another place. Wow. You're forgetting about Eric the Blue. Eric the who? Oh no, the Viking that got there first. The Viking that... Oh, you're referring to how Christopher Columbus was not really the first European to make it to America? No, I was talking about my friend Eric the Blue made it there first. Oh, I thought you were referencing Eric the Red. Eric the Red? Who's that? Skip tutorial and get ready for some awesome, old man. Ready? Wait, what's the controls again? Sorry for the silence. I gotta focus. Just listen to the beautiful music, if it pleases you. Okay? I'll make it as good as I can, and you can listen to your ears have had enough. And then I'll turn up the volume some more. I'm kidding. Yeah. Oh, yes. I just can't resist making sounds doing it. I'm just like, yeah, yeah. I just have to say something. You know, that's what they say about fools. A wise man speaks because he has something to say. No, man, shut up! I'm trying to do this! I'm making music! Gosh, can't you... Oh, my gosh! And the fool speaks because he has to say something. Very wise, old man. I know where you got that from. That's Plato. Oh, yeah. 96%. Wait, that's not a diamond record. Does that mean that it has nothing to do with Spit out, man. That means the record the record has nothing to do with how well I did. Of course it does. Do you see 4 out of 5 stars there? Of course it does. 1. This seems easy. Oh, just wait and find out. Old man, if you could shut up, I would be much obliged. Thanks. Shut your bio. Oh dear. That wasn't terrible. It wasn't great either. But it wasn't terrible. But it wasn't great. But terrible it was not. But it wasn't great. Old man, you could be a little more positive. You know, you could say, oh, that was swell. That was really swell. You know, you could say something like that. Absolutely not. I was by no means swell at all. Old man, you think that was just not swell, just what you saw just now? Oh man, check this out. Oh, this is gonna be so not swell. Oh yeah. Get ready for the most not swell experience ever. Oh, no. Alright, coffee machines, all, go. Produce stuff. Oh, man. Whoa. Alright, go. I need to check. Oh, dear. Go and... whoops. Alright, go. I don't know if that's true. Whoa. Alright, go. Now go and go. Whoa, dear. What? No one ordered that. Come on. What? Who's gonna drink it now? Who do you think? You. Obviously. I didn't mean to put that there. I had to put one of them there. Aw, game. That's just retarded. I mean, not retarded. Obviously, no, because that's offensive. No, I didn't say that. That was somebody else. That was that guy over there. That guy. Get him. He said that. Get him. I didn't say that. Oh, you're gonna come in and hold the bag for me, old man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he did it. He did it. He admitted to it. He just did. I didn't admit to that. You admitted to it. No, I didn't. Come on. Do you like cake? Oh, well, gotta admit, I do. Wait. Videotape complete. No. This will make a very good out of context soundbite. I admit. Yes, this should do nicely. Shut up, old man. I gotta end this episode. Thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye.